Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today Nelly and I, my friend, are going to Waterfall. I keep thinking of Waterfront. We're going to Waterfall Market, but we really wanted to try Boba. So we're first going to go to, I think it's Momo, and we're going to try some Boba, let you guys know how it tastes, and then we're going to head off to Waterfall. This is Waterfall Market. And yeah, the weather is not looking too great because it literally rained for like 2 minutes, but hopefully it won't rain anymore, and that we'll have a good time at the market. So see ya. Here's yours. It's a little bit skew, but we're improvising.
Yes.
So just turn your laptop around a bit. Okay, let's try it out.
Which does this part go on the bottom or at the top?
I think this part is supposed to pop in. Sorry. So I got the peach and lychee, and then you got the bubble gaga. Ne?
Yeah, bubble gaga.
Mine has the pop boba, apparently.
Yeah.
It's supposed to pop in your mouth.
Yeah, this is like pearls and pineapple chunks, I think. Yeah. It tastes better than it looks.
Mine tastes good. It actually does pop in your mouth.
Oh, mine. Oh my gosh. It's
a lot, eh? It is chewy. Like there's a little peach in there.
It's like having a gummy bear at the bottom of the cookie.
But no, I don't want to put my straw right at the bottom because it's just bringing up all the boba and all at the same time.
And you're like, whoa.
It's a little overwhelming, yeah.
I
It was
can
quite
see
nice.
its appeal. Yeah.
Yeah? I think they're giving you real, like they gave me real peaches. Well, I hope they're real.
I also hope this is real pineapple. Maybe it's like the canned stuff, who knows.
This is so good. It's like just peach iced tea. So, but it's quite nice. I like the boba.
Same. Mine's supposed to be a passion fruit green tea, but you can't like actually taste
The green tea.
tea-ness of it. Yeah. Which is quite impressive. I mean, I like green tea, so I wouldn't have minded, but like, I think for people who don't like the taste of green tea, that's pretty good.
So this is good. We're enjoying it.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go to Waterfall.
And eat.
Nelly and I decided to come back, and it also started raining, so we're just gonna have some wine and watch some Formula One, and that's it. So, these are the vibes at this rate. Gals.